Alright, so another ceiling fan. That one is pulling out of the ceiling, as you can see right there. So I'm going to replace that and then get the new Hampton Bay. What's it? Hampton Bay Tasmin ceiling fan up, 5-blade fan. So, yep. Here goes nothing. I think I'm just gonna take this down in one piece and build it that way. Alright, so got rid of that. Alright, so it's attached to the wood. There's a filling box for this. I think because of that beam, it just doesn't go all the way up. There's not enough space. The motor and housing is separate, so you pretty much have to build the fan. So, you got this, you got these screws that lock into here, and just lock in right there.
As I lay down laws like Island Copy. Stop it. If you think you're gonna make a profit, don't see my woman, don't see my
6 different slots where the screw goes in.
I don't know what the hell's stopping ya. I'm clocking ya. Versace shade watching ya. Wanna get in game with ya. First I talk about how I dress. Diamond necklaces, stretch Lexus, just the right.
Yeah, that should look like that.
Help you reach the climax that your man can't make.
My receiver, which is right here, that's gonna sit in there. You can get all this stuff ready now before you even get it up there. That snaps into there. And then this one snaps into there. It only goes one way, so pretty straightforward. Where's this thing? Hanging with this scooper. While I'm swimming in the river at the breaststroke, right stroke, left stroke, what's the best stroke? Death stroke, tongue all down the throat. Nothing left to do but sit on home to you. I'm through, and you see it's all for you. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. We can cruise the world with pearls, gator boots for girls. The envy of all women, crushed linen, the diamonds in them. The finest women I love with the passion. Your man's a wimp, I get that ass a good thrashing. High fashion, flying into all states. Sexing me while your man masturbates. Isn't this great? Your flight leaves at 8, the flight lands at 9. My game just rewind. Lyrically, I'm supposed to represent. I'm not only a client, I'm the player president. I got that good love, girl, you didn't know. That's pretty quiet.
I got that good love, girl, you didn't know.
Yeah, it's all good.
I got that good love, girl, you didn't know.
made it to the finish line.